Calculate the numerical aperture of a fiber with core index 1.65 and cladding index 1.53. Numerical aperture is given by square root of mu1 square minus mu2 square. Here mu1 refractive index of core is given as 1.65 and mu2 refractive index of cladding is given as 1.53. So we can calculate the numerical aperture as 0.618 in this case. This is the second one. Calculate the acceptance angle for an optical fiber whose core refractive index is 1.48 and cladding refractive index is 1.39. So here also we will first calculate the numerical aperture in the same way as we have done in the earlier problem. Numerical aperture is square root of mu1 square minus mu2 square. In this case mu1 is 1.48 and mu2 is 1.39. So numerical aperture calculated is 0.508. And acceptance angle, we know it is sine inverse of numerical aperture. So sine inverse of 0.508, that is equal to 30.53 degrees. So acceptance angle in this problem is 30.53 degrees. Okay, here we have one more problem in which numerical aperture is given as 0.5 and you are asked to calculate refractive index of cladding. Refractive index of core is also given. So numerical aperture of an optical fiber is 0.5, refractive index of core is 1.54 and we are asked to calculate refractive index of cladding. So from the same relation, numerical aperture is equal to square root of mu1 square minus mu2 square. We can just rearrange it as mu2 equal to square root of mu1 square minus numerical aperture square. Mu1 is 1.54 and numerical aperture is 0.5. So by substituting these values, refractive index of cladding is calculated as 1.456. So you can see refractive index of cladding has to be less than refractive index of core. So it is 1.456 in this case. Next one, numerical aperture of a fiber is 0.5, core refractive index is 1.48, find cladding refractive index and acceptance angle. So in the same way as we have done in the earlier problem, we can calculate the cladding refractive index mu2 to be equal to square root of mu1 square minus numerical aperture square. In this case mu1 is 1.48 and numerical aperture is 0.5. So refractive index of cladding is obtained as 1.393. Acceptance angle is sine inverse of numerical aperture. Numerical aperture is given as 0.5. So sine inverse of 0.5 is 30 degrees. So in this problem, the acceptance angle is 30 degrees. So these are the simple problems. Okay, this one is based on the calculation of V number. A step index fiber is made with a core refractive index 1.52 and diameter 29 micrometer. Cladding refractive index is 1.5189. If it is operated at wavelength 1.3 micrometer, find V number of the fiber and number of modes it will support. So we know V number is given by 2 pi a upon lambda square root of mu1 square minus mu2 square. So this square root of mu1 square minus mu2 square is nothing but numerical aperture. A is radius of the core. We are provided with diameter of the core. So 2 into a will be equal to diameter of the core. So we can just write this 2 pi a as pi d. Lambda is wavelength of the wave that is getting transmitted through the fiber. It is given as 1.3 micrometer. So that is 1.3 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters. D is 29 micrometer, that is 29 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters. Mu1 is 1.52 and mu2 is 1.5189. So by substituting these values, we can calculate V number as 4.05. And because we can see V is greater than 2.405, number of modes will be 1 by 2 V square. If V is less than 2.405, number of modes is 1. But in this case, V is greater than 2.405, so number of modes will be 1 by 2 V square, that is 1 by 2 into 4.05 square, and it is calculated as 8.20. So the number of modes will be integral, and number of modes supported will be in this case 8. So this fiber will support 8 modes. So 8 light rays can travel simultaneously through this optical fiber. This is one more. Find the core radius necessary for single mode operation at 850 nanometer in step index fiber with N1 equal to 1.480 and N2 equal to 1.47. What is the numerical aperture and maximum acceptance angle of this fiber? So here refractive index of core is written as N1, that is equal to 1.480, and refractive index of cladding is written as N2, that is given as 1.47. Wavelength lambda is given as 850 nanometers, so that is 850 into 10 raised to minus 9 meters. And single mode operation, so for single mode operation V number has to be less than or equal to 2.405. So we will try to calculate the maximum value of the radius, and for that we will substitute V equal to 2.405. So here we can just rearrange the terms to write the relation for radius of core A equal to V lambda, lambda taken on the other side and 2 pi also taken on the other side. So V lambda upon 2 pi, this is a square root of N1 square minus N2 square also taken on the other side. So A equal to V lambda upon 2 pi square root of N1 square minus N2 square. Now just put the values and we can calculate the radius of core as 1.894 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters. So this is the actually maximum value of the radius for the single mode operation. So radius of the core of the optical fiber must be less than this value. Numerical aperture can be obtained as square root of N1 square minus N2 square. So N1 and N2 both are given to us, and it can be calculated as 0.1717. Acceptance angle will be sine inverse of numerical aperture. So that is sine inverse of 0.1717, and it is obtained as 9.887 degrees, or we can write it as 9 degrees 53 minutes also. This is the last one. An optical fiber has core diameter of 6 micrometer and core refractive index is 1.45. Critical angle is 87 degrees. Calculate refractive index of cladding, acceptance angle and number of modes propagating through the fiber when wavelength of light is 1 micrometer. So refractive index of core is given as 1.45. Refractive index of cladding we want to calculate here first. With the help of critical angle we will do that. We know sin phi c is equal to mu 2 upon mu 1. Phi c is the critical angle. So mu 2 is equal to mu 1 into sin phi c. So mu 1 is 1.45 and phi c is 87. So mu 2 refractive index of cladding can be calculated by using this. It is obtained as 1.448. The diameter of the core is given 6 micrometer, 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Acceptance angle can be calculated as the second part, sine inverse of numerical aperture, that is sine inverse of square root of mu 1 square minus mu 2 square. Mu 1 is given as 1.45, mu 2 just now we have calculated 1.448. So acceptance angle is obtained as sine inverse of numerical aperture, which can be calculated as 4.366 degrees in this case. Now for number of modes we need V number, and V number is given by 2 pi a upon lambda square root of mu 1 square minus mu 2 square. Here 2 into a is radius, so 2 into a will be diameter. Diameter is given to us. Lambda is also given, 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, 1 micrometer lambda. By substituting the values of mu 1 and mu 2, we can calculate V number. It is obtained as 1.435 in this case. And as V number is less than 2.405, number of modes supported will be 1. So for any value of V less than 2.405, number of modes supported will be only 1. And therefore, The fiber given in this problem is a single mode fiber. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.